Hello everyone, Captain Larry here with Bering Marine, and we are out in beautiful Bath, North Carolina today. I'm also out here with Mackenzie. She is our U.S. Marketing Director. She does a ton of things for Bering Marine. She's behind the camera today. And we're out on one of the latest boats created by Bering Marine. This is the Bering Marine Hydrofoil supported catamaran. This is our 28 rib boat. And today we're just going to take a quick boat ride, and we want to show you the maneuvering ability of these boats. Most power cats, as you know, has a tendency to sort of roll outward in turns. We want to show you today what the Hydrofoil supported cat can do and how it sort of takes the best of both worlds, the stability of the power cat and yet the cornering and the maneuvering and the performance of a monohull. So come on along, we're going to show you how great this boat turns. All right, here we go. We're going to run up, probably get around 15, 25 knots or so. And we want to show you how this boat actually performs out doing some hard maneuvers. We want to show you the performance of the Hydrofoil in the turns. Mackenzie's going to work around behind me. Watch the bow and watch how tight this boat turns in. Hold on, here we go. This is one of the great things that I love about showing the Hydrofoil supported cat. As you look how this boat banks, we're going to run right back into our chop, and we're not even going to rattle the coffee out of the cup holder. It is just an amazing performing boat. I tell everybody, go ride any power cat you can ride, and then come ride one of these Hydrofoil supported catamarans from Bering Marine. It is honestly second to nobody.